Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about Celestia TUSDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Let's dive in. All right, guys. You remember the intention accumulation pump model, and I want to show you the lowest point where we can stop if the Celestia continue going down. First of all, guys, like usual, never say never, because around here, even here, the people screaming, we never drop to, I don't know, $2 or so. So you're crazy. What are you talking about? So guys, so this is a Bybit chart, and you remember I mark that levels. Now we can adjust it, here with intention accumulation pump model from listing price, right? And adjust to the candle close. We can extend the lines, right? And it's fine. So Celestia was one of not so many tokens which after listing not dropped to zone of interest. This one, zone of interest, guys, I highly recommend you go and check free educational video. It's the zones for tokens after listing where more than okay start accumulate tokens with a DCA strategy. It's not necessary, guys. So the Celestia will drop now to $1.39, $1.11, or 88 cents or 74 cents. But in the future, it's more than real to see this number. So of course, you can love it, you can hate it, but it is what it is, guys. You have to know and keep in mind. So this one, listing on Bybit and many other exchanges was last day of October 2023, but seed round, guys, was in 2021 and raised it 1.6 million, and take a look, 1 cent. So the people, that guys, investors, 8 funds, right, they invested in this project at 1 cent. So it's crazy. It's crazy. That's why, guys, I recommend you always use the crypto rank to check the fundraising rounds, or use any AI, even the Grok, to double check the deep research about tokens. What does it mean? It means this guy is still in profit, no matter how many coins do they got, they at this current prices in profit 33,000% gains. At the top, at all-time high, it was like 208K% gains, guys. Imagine. Series A round in 2022 was 9 cents. It's also crazy. It's also mind-blowing. 15 million, and investors, we can't know even who invested. It's kind of weird, guys. And the 40 millions, they raised it in 2022 at $1. So $1, guys, it can be around, yes, around 61 low by FIB. Now, after 2 years, basically, almost will be soon 2 years, we landed to lowest point of $2.35, and the zone of interest, guys, much lower. I hope, of course, I'm not invested in TIA, but I hope we will not drop so low now. Why I don't want to see the Celestia so low? It means if Celestia will crash to $1.31, $1.39, $1.18, it's just logical. All alts also will dump it. So I don't like the local situation like this one, because usually we dump lower. When we form one support, second one, we bounce it, hold the line. Usually we can drop to grab this liquidity and this liquidity. Of course, guys, if it's a trap with BTC dominance, and BTC dominance will continue to go higher to 62%, 63 again, 64. Capitulation for Celestia, it's 58% down from this current prices. It's craziness, and even 65. I hope not, but guys, zone of interest, you can use this FIB, and track zone of interest. It can be, guys, also. It can be this move. You have to keep in mind. So it can be this move. We go grab this liquidity pool, for example, form something like this one, $18, not hit the new all-time high, and after that dump here. So you can open the chart, for example, of IOTA Dash, Bitcoin Cash, many other, guys, projects which form something like this one. And if this token will survive in the next bull run, we go and hit new all-time high. So just in case, guys, So keep in mind this global scenario. Technically, of course, I don't think so. We're just going down, down, down and never bounce back. No, I think, and I truly believe that Celestia, will bounce over than $9.27 once again, and over than $11.88 for sure, because this is the two main liquidity pools, bullish one. Would be good, of course, hold the line now with 27 block. Previously we used 27 block like a zone of fixation. Now 27 block playing out like support. So basically there is no gaps. Monthly one, weekly we can check. Basically also no. Oh, here's a 1347. This is a weekly gap. This one is closed. This maybe tiny one is closed. So this liquidity pool is going to be like a magnet. So definitely, guys, sooner or later, I think it will be not like this move down forever. No, we will bounce. When? Nobody knows. But this liquidity pool, this order flow, sooner or later will close and trade. So guys, check now with my customer what's going on with Celestia. And guys, this is a greatest example of fundamental. Basically, absolutely doesn't matter. Matter only how funds, these guys, distribute their tokens. And it's hard to track because they can spread between the, 100 wallets, 1,000 wallets, use some soft and sell step by step, some small allocation on centralized exchanges. So that's the difficult, guys, this cycle. So this cycle is for institutional and the funds. So this is a weekly time frame. This was accumulation. Finally, accumulation zone, February 25 at lowest point $2.94. So a great time if we just stop it here at around zero level, stop it, bounce, hold the line, and go higher from this current prices. If not, the next zone, no accumulation signal on direction now. If we talk about investment. For a scalp position, of course, guys, you can work even now. Here, what I would like to see, that the variance on a daily, this one, and dump again and form the new low. So the new low can be like $2.28 and also grab all this liquidity. So $2.28 and $1.86. It can be this this support block. This one tiny support bounce, but locally, I wish to see one more dump. Daily, it's a hope now for Celestia. Weekly, yes, we can also form the divergence until even the first zone of interest. Globally, like for investments, market mood now showing us the capitulation. So all investors capitulate. It's good. It's good time to buy. Yes, it's fear, but it's good time to accumulate. But keep in mind, guys, the seed rounds, unfortunately, it's really important. Even with the vast and shadow, guys, track it. Money inflow, take a look. Previous money inflow was here in June 24. After that, we bounced at like 126%. So maybe this time we'll bounce harder. The whales start to accumulate since end of January, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row they accumulate. So average entry, let's say $2.35, lowest point $2.94, $2.99. This one. So let's say average is $2, I guess 90. Let's say like this one, 96. So I think they will push the price at least to $6.06, and they will withdraw initial deposit. If, for example, if they will dump price again, we will see one more money inflow, right? It's going to be the good one, and they will build the better entry. Monthly, guys, money power, there is no money inflow, nothing. We are 4 months in a row down, but this is definitely not a money outflow. So this is a good one because money outflow, last one was at $9.28. We dump it to $2.35. So if we compare this time and this time, definitely we are now in a better position, So up to your own risk, you can accumulate. I skip Celestia because now basically even the StarkNet, in lowest position than Celestia. StarkNet on the listing price. If we talk about if we talk about a risk ratio, because StarkNet around here, but potential to 27 zone bounce. Celestia over than 27 zone and never tested even the zone of interest. So of course it's subjectively, but I prefer to skip the Celestia now. Sell signal was here in around 19. So now no signal to close position, only recommendation to close position, but no take profit. Last guys indicator is take profit. Take profit on a weekly, unfortunately no data. Daily one, here we can test the buy line now. It's a sweep of this liquidity pool. It's a 18 level by fee, but $2.60. You know, for the amount value of this token is $1.97. But the best case, guys, it's a hold the line at 0 level. So we're gonna sweep this one, and test the 0 level. $2.28 and bounce. Take profit, guys. All lines are dynamic. Take profit 5.13. Exit line 5.81. So this is it. If you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.